It's Brenda with Luke's. We are continuing our series on the 12 tips of Christmas, and I'm here to talk about embossing on towels. Towels are a great gift that we as embroiderers all like to make. However, when we monogram them, the little terry cloth loops tend to poke up in between the letters of the monogram, and it looks a little, what I would say, ouchy. We don't like that. So if we can emboss the area around the monogram, and that means to tamp it down, then the monogram will show beautifully. So I want to show you how to do that. There are many ways to do it. Most of them are very hard to do. However, this is going to be simple. So I am in my mySewNet software. I'm going up here to the Create tab. I'm going to choose a quilt block. The next choice is a filled quilt block with no inner shape. I choose Next. Up here, I'm going to choose the shape of my block. I've chosen the octagon. I need to tell it what size. I'm going to go with 100 millimeters. As you can see, that is just under 4 inches. So that's not too large. You can describe it as large or as small as you want. All right, so I'm going to hit Next. All right, so this is where the magic is. You can see that that quilt block is filled in with a meander. That's not what we want. What we want is a diamond crosshatch. And I'm going to make that very small. In fact, I'm going to describe it as 1.5 millimeters. And I'm going to use a running stitch. I'm going to hit OK. And all of a sudden, I've got a filled in shape with a crosshatch. Now, what that does is that tamps down all the loops on my towel. When we take our towel, we're going to stabilize it, of course, with stabilizer in the hoop. We're going to still use our dissolve away stabilizer on top. This will sew right through that dissolve away stabilizer. Okay, so, and it will wash out. So I've got my shape. I'm going to hit finish. There's my shape in my hoop. And now, as you would suspect, I'm going to go up and I can use either the Express Monogram Wizard or I can use the letters. I'm going to just use letters for right now. I'm going to choose a script font. In this case, I'm going to choose, I like Lydia, and I'm going to do Lydia, I think 25 for a size. Let me see where that is. Okay, so Lydia, and I'm going to do 25 millimeters to 5. I think that should be about the right size. And I'm going to do, I'll do my initials, who cares? So we'll do BSS. Okay, I'm going to hit apply. Move my monogram up here to the center. And I'm good to go. Now that monogram, the letters there are a little bit small. I could make them bigger, but the idea is this. You now have a shape, and you have many to choose from on the quilt block shapes that is tamped down, embossed, and then we're going to put our letters, monogram, either the fonts or use the true monogram wizard that's included in your software to create the letters and stitch those down over that field. Remember to use your dissolve away stabilizer. I think you're going to be very pleased with this, and it's going to show up nicely for you. So until next time, it's Brenda with Luke's.